just missed a defrost cycle. And the York just kicked on. Yeah, I came up and the Goodman was defrosting and I didn't get my camera going quick enough. See if the York's doing anything. Don't know how to tell what year these things were made. Well, if it's a 12 seer, which I think it is, it had to have been made before January of 2006. Oh, that might be a 13 seer. Look at all that ice in the bottom. See if I can figure out how many nominal tons this thing is. And this one's a lot easier to get to than the Bryant. Alright, nominal tons. Alright, 48,000. It says 48 in the model number. So yeah, and another heat pump just went to defrost over there. That had to have been the York. I think that's defrosting. Oh yeah, that's defrosting. This one's vibrating the ground too. That's 4 heat pump defrosts today. There you go. That was a loud defrost cycle. Alright. Alright, out.